Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. You know that budget phones in 2018 have very good specifications. Some of them are equipped with the same features as flagship devices. But what about laptops? The Chinese manufacturers also produces laptops, and we're not just talking about Xiaomi. Perhaps you haven't heard about AIWO brand, but it releases very interesting laptops. In this video, we want to talk about AIWO 737A. It is equipped with 13.3-inch Full HD display, Intel chipset, 6GB of RAM and 256GB of SSD memory. The price is only $269. Are you interested? Then let's make first review. AIWO 737A is ultrabook because it is very thin and lightweight. The manufacturer says that the body is made of semi-metal. We don't really understand what it means. Most likely it has metal and plastic combination. However, it looks like premium laptop with metal body. The laptop is equipped with two USB 3.0 ports, 3.5mm audio jack, TF card slot, mini HDMI and DC port. This should be enough for connect most devices. If we talk about display, there is 13.3-inch IPS panel with Full HD resolution 1920 by 1080 pixels. The company is very proud of thin bezels around the screen. They are only 10.5mm. Okay, design and display are good, but what about performance? AIWO 737A is powered by Intel N3450 chipset with 2.2 GHz maximum clock speed and Intel HD Graphics 500. Also, it has 6GB of RAM and 256GB of SSD. By the way, the last is very important, because many budget laptops have eMMC memory. SSD is much faster and it takes only 10 seconds to boot, while the transmission speed is up to 500 megabits per second. It sounds very good for budget laptop. Another important thing for any laptop is battery. AIWO 737A is equipped with 3500 mAh battery capacity. We found information on official website that laptop works about 5–8 hours on a single charge. It is good result for 13-inch ultrabook. Finally, let's talk about price. GearBest online store has flash sale from October 15th until October 22nd, and you can buy AIWO 737A for only $269. So for this money you will get premium-looking laptop with 13-inch Full HD display, good performance, 6GB of RAM and 256GB of SSD. What do you think? Is it a good deal? Write in comments below. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.